Well, hello everyone. Thank you so much for joining my channel, the Stock Martin channel. I'm Martin and I'm going to be talking to you about two big stocks. The two electric vehicle stocks, Lucid Motors and Fisker, had a very nice day in the market today. We're going to be talking about why, and I think you're really going to like this video and you're going to learn something new. If you can, please give me that thumbs up, the like button to share this video with others. I would greatly appreciate it. If you can also, please subscribe. If you haven't already, hit that notification bell, hit all so you can get all my videos. And also leave me a comment that you subscribe so I can give you a shout out at the end of my videos. But welcome back. I have a great video. Like I mentioned, we are going to be talking about Lucid Motors. There is that catalyst starting to come, and it's just around the corner. I think the deliveries will be coming very, very soon. And this stock had some very nice big news today, which we are going to analyze and look at. Also, Fisker had a very, very big move today. We're going to be talking about why this stock is up over about 20%, which is an incredible amount, and its future price targets. I think that this video will be very educational for you. So let's jump down into it and talk about this article from Investor Place. This is titled LCID Stock, the 3 Big Reasons Why Lucid Motors is Revving Up Today. So today we had 3 major catalysts that increased the Lucid stock by more than 4%. And we're going to be talking about each and every one of these. So the first is the most significant, and it's been the buzz surrounding the massive upgrade of its rival Fisker. So Fisker is an electric vehicle company with a ticker symbol FSR, and it is a speculative EV stock. And the analyst from Morgan Stanley gave this stock an overweight rating, which is a vehicle car maker that will be seeing its first production vehicles next year, and it gave it a price target of $40. So this stock has been trading around $15 for the past recent days, and this is a huge upgrade. And this actually very shocked me, and I think it's going to do very good for Lucid Motors because Lucid Motors is just around the corner for producing its vehicles. It will start its production this year. Fisker is a little bit behind in Lucid Motors because it will be producing its vehicles next year. So I do think that Lucid Motors is a big potential right now, and I think its stock will be even higher than I've been predicting, but we'll definitely have to wait. Additionally, this analyst did indicate that a bull case for the Fisker stock could be $90 a share, and it is a possibility. This is huge news, and this is very important because it brings to light that Lucid Motors could be very undervalued as an electric vehicle company, so we will be starting to see very big movement in Lucid Motors, in my opinion. So the second big catalyst that we had today is the Senate actually passed the infrastructure bill. So this is very big news for the electric vehicle market, for electric vehicle charging, and I think it's going to do very great in the future for the electric vehicle sector. So Peter Rawlinson did go on to say that this is very important that the government is supporting the EV sector. And he also said that without the support of the United States and the government's funding, the Tesla Model S would have never happened, and Tesla probably would not exist today. So this is very big news that the US government is making electric vehicles a priority and the future of our environment a priority to get these electric vehicles out there, and I think it will be very, very big in the future. And the third catalyst is that this was very important because the White House actually sent out a tweet, and it caused a catalyst that backed up all the electric vehicle companies, and it did say that it would aim to help automakers in general battle the supply chain issues. So as you know, we do have a lot of supply chain issues right now, and we are also having that chip shortage. So the American government is starting to step up and stand behind these electric vehicle companies. This will be amazing for all electric vehicles, in my opinion. I think if you're in any of these high growth stocks, such as Lucid Motors, Fisker, I think all these stocks are doing very, very well. But let's jump into Fisker and see this other article. So according to this article from MarketWatch that is titled Fisker is Electric Vehicle Architect, Morgan Stanley says boosting its stock. So this article does talk about the Fisker stock, which is ticker is FSR, nearly jumped 20% today after a very big endorsement from Morgan Stanley. It did have an analyst by the name of Adam Jonas that did review this stock, and he did give it a very big buy rating and gave it a 12-month price target of $40, which is a 122% upside over Tuesday's share price. So he went on to say that we believe Fisker may be one of the only EV-related startups to actually launch on time and ramp up efficiously in late 2022. So they are right now designing in the designing stages, and they will be producing and engineering their electric vehicle that's coming out soon. So this is very big news for Lucid Motors, in my opinion, and Fisker as well, as these vehicles are starting to get really hyped up. So now let's look at the Fisker stock. The Fisker stock was up 21.5% today. It did close the day at $18.27, which is an amazing run up. In the past 5 days, you can see this huge increase today that we've had. We were trading at $15 on Monday by the end of the trading day, and today we went up all the way up to $18.79, which is a huge increase from its stock price. I believe that the same thing could happen to Lucid Motors LCID. We definitely have to watch that, but I am very excited about this stock. If we look at Fisker stock in the past month, we are up 7% in the past month. We have been trading in that $15 range, and we did go as low as $14.46 just last Friday. But we are doing very, very good in this stock, and I did do videos in the past about this. In the past 6 months, we are still up 18%. We didn't quite get that high that we have tested back in February, right before we had the EV crash, but that was trading about $28.50. We are starting to get that uptick again, but we'll definitely have to watch this. I still believe that Fisker is a very good buy under $20. If you can get this stock under $15, it's a very good price in my opinion. If you can get this down below $14, which I don't know if we're going to get there, but definitely we might see some volatility coming soon, but it's a very big buy for me. Now, what did this do to the Lucid stock? Well, Lucid stock, once we had these 3 catalysts that I had mentioned, the Lucid Motors stock was up by 4% today. It is trading at $24.46 by the end of the day, and it had a very nice run up. It was starting the day, and it went as low as $23.70. In the past week, we are up by 4.4%. So we are starting to see that upward movement, and this is very exciting to see. We have been trading at that base about $22 now for quite some time. And if we go back in the past month, you do see that we're starting to get this nice graph of upward movement, and we're starting to get some life into this stock. So I'm very, very excited about this. Now, we did meet some resistance back in the past month at the $26, $27 mark. We actually hit it twice at the beginning of July and also at the end of July, but we haven't seen the $26, $27 mark again, and I do think that we're getting close to testing that resistance at about $26, $27. If we can penetrate and break that resistance, that ceiling, I think the next step would be to test $30. But this Fisker stock news has been amazing for this stock. And I think Lucid Motors will do very, very well once you start getting Morgan Stanley, once you get all these analysts start reviewing it, and they will see its huge potential. Because remember, this is a technology company. It should be valued exactly like Tesla. And I have mentioned in the past that Tesla has a price to sales ratio of about 12 times. Lucid Motors is only 2.6 its price per sales ratio. Therefore, this company is very undervalued, and I think it will do very, very well. I did want to talk about some stock price predictions. According to wallet investor LCID Lucid Motors was trading at $24.46 as of today. Its 1-year forecast is at $40.95. 5-year forecast is $110.60. Now, with the big news that happened today with Fisker, I really do think now that by the end of this year, we definitely can get that $40, and I think that we will get there soon, especially if we start seeing these deliveries coming out in the next few weeks. I think this stock is gonna pop quite a bit just by looking at Fisker and seeing what kind of reaction it got when it was valued by the analysts out there. Next, I would like to talk about the stock price prediction of Fisker. According to TipRanks, we did have 7 analysts review it. They gave it a moderate buy, 5 gave it a buy, 2 a hold, 0 a sell. It does have a 44% upside from now with a price target of $26. And that's not including the trading that was today. So right now, if you get this stock still at $18.27, and if you look, you still have that very nice potential to increase your money by in about 12 months. So you do have that 44% upside. If we do look at the highest price target, look at this. Now it is $40, and that is according to Morgan Stanley, the analysts. They do predict that this stock can go as high as $40. The lowest price target on this is $16 by one of the analysts that reviewed this stock a while back. This does give us the average price target of our $26.33. So again, this is very big news for Lucid Motors, very big news for Fisker, and I am so excited to tell you and to report this about these two stocks. So please do your own due diligence before purchasing either of these two stocks. Personally, I do think that they are great long-term plays, but with this big catalyst that we've had come out, that the Senate has passed the infrastructure bill, this will be very good for electric vehicle automakers. It will also be very big for electric vehicle charging stations as well. But I hope you like this video. Please give me that thumbs up, the like button if you do. Share this video also with others. If you can share it with your family, your friends, your coworkers, that next door neighbor, I'd really appreciate it. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell, hit all. Also leave me that comment that you subscribed so I can give you a shout out at the end of the video. And thank you so much for all your support. I really, really appreciate it. And I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Down below, if you would like to help out the channel, I put 2 links. One's for Webull. If you open an account, deposit $100, you get 2 free stocks valued up to $1,850. If you deposit $100 into Coinbase, you get $10 of cryptocurrency and trading. Thank you for supporting the channel.